Still typing the same status or priority again and again? Let me show you how to make a drop-down list in Excel and Sheets fast, easy, and clean. First, block the cells where you want the drop-down. Then go to Data tab. Click this icon. Choose Data Validation. Click this. Choose List. In the source box, type your options. For example, high, medium, low, and make sure you add comma between the option. Then click OK. Done. Now you can select from a drop-down. No more typing. Now in Google Sheets. First, go to Data tab. Then select Data Validation. Click Add Rule. Click this icon to select the column you want to add drop-down. Block the column. Then click OK. Here's where you add your custom drop-down. For example, for the task priority, high, medium, low. You can custom the color too. Click Done. Now you got a drop-down list. Easy, fast, and cool tool. What tips should we cover next? Drop your ideas in the comments and subscribe for more content like this.